Alright, welcome back to another daily pack openings / pack battles. We're opening our last Ascending Hero ETB because we need the sleeves. Go ahead, brother.
I'm struggling to find my hole.
That's what she said. Whoa. Skadoosh. We're almost done with JoJo. We're finally on season 4.
How many do you want?
You get 5, I get 4. I get the lucky ones. Good luck, bro. Oh, we just ate some of the Pop-Tarts of Pokémon. Fire. Oh man. God pack.
Yes.
Ooh, I got Tangela. Full art.
Oh, nice.
I'm winning.
Yeah, you are. I think that one's
the pack hit. God pack. Come on, Pikachu. Ooh, what kind of card is that?
That one, actually.
Trainer card?
Yeah.
Come on. Ooh. Nope. This is nice. I got reverse energy. No. We're halfway there, brother. Come on, it looks promising. Sneasel, Snorunt, and EX Electrite. You get anything good, bro?
No, not in a bit.
Alright, show us your hits. We got one more pack.
Yeah.
Come on. Whirlpool, Spiritomb, Lunatone. Wow, dude. Not bad. I think we got some cards we actually need for the master set. We're almost...
Especially that Tangle.
Hell yeah, brother. Tune in next time. Like, share, subscribe.